Frying pan. I cooked some eggs in the frying pan this morning. Saucepan. She boiled the pasta in a big saucepan. Spatula. Use a spatula to flip the pancake. Knife. Be careful with that knife, it's very sharp. Chopping board. I cut the vegetables on the chopping board. Pot. The soup is still hot in the pot. Ladle. He served the soup with a ladle. Whisk. You need a whisk to mix the eggs well. Rolling pin. She used a rolling pin to flatten the dough. Grater. I grated the cheese with a grater. Oven mitt. I wear an oven mitt so I don't burn my hands. Colander. Pour the pasta into the colander to drain the water. Spoon. Please give me a spoon for the soup. Fork. I ate the salad with a fork. Peeler. He peeled the carrots with a peeler. Mixing bowl. She mixed the ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Cup. I need a cup to measure the milk. Measuring spoons. Use the measuring spoons for the right amount of sugar. Tongs. He picked up the hot food with tongs. Garlic press. I used the garlic press to crush the garlic.